So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, make sure to go down below and get some free money from the description. Plenty of incredible opportunities to get some free funds down there with the signups. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, things are looking pretty good, bouncing to the upside and looking a bit more bullish. You can see on the hourly time frame we have been picking up off these lows down here and slowly making some bullish moves to the upside. Obviously getting stuck under, closing above our first daily fair value gap here, but then getting stuck under the next, getting rejected there, and Bitcoin dragging the market down yesterday with, as far as I can tell, a pretty coordinated manipulation to come down and liquidate a bunch of people out of the market. So you can see people were probably piling into longs here for Bitcoin, come down and liquidated a bunch of people, but bouncing out of this fair value gap here, this one that's really been holding price up for the past week or so. You can see Bitcoin obviously created this big area of fair value gap here when we hit the previous all-time high up at 124k, came back down, bounced out of this area, came back down, retested it, and then we've obviously created a few new fair value gaps here which we actually broke to the downside, but we never lost this one here. And as you can see, Bitcoin here looking like it wants to bounce out of this area and recover. You can see this hourly candle here breaking out after coming down, consolidating, and looking like it wants to move back to the upside here. I'll have to wait and see how far Bitcoin can get back to the upside, but you can see as a result, Polygon been absolutely chopped to pieces and still not recovering. As we know, every time Bitcoin drops like this, altcoins get chopped up and then they don't recover. And in general, altcoins, despite the fact that Bitcoin's at all-time highs, the altcoin basket's at all-time highs yesterday. Most of our singular altcoins looking very weak at the minute, and we have to kind of wonder whether or not we actually are going to get any kind of altcoin season this cycle if Bitcoin just keeps hitting new all-time highs and altcoins just keep not moving. Because to be honest, I would have expected more movement for altcoins at this point, considering the fact that we have got basically Bitcoin at all-time highs, the altcoin basket as a whole is at all-time highs, but most of our singular altcoins are really struggling to make any kind of move to the upside. You can see Polygon here is still down below the bear market range low, the previous support area, as you can see, as resistance right now, in an area where you would expect people to be accumulating for a bounce. But right now the space just looking pretty weak in terms of altcoins, so we're going to have to see if we can finally get an altcoin season soon, if Bitcoin will allow it. As always guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.